and welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to say thank you guys for everything, for watching videos, liking, commenting, just engaging with my stuff, my content, my looks, my everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have not seen it, go and see all my videos. I will put this little like scroll of all my videos and of my Instagram and all that. I'm still going to be posting some of the looks that I forgot to already post on Twitter and Twitter and Facebook and all that stuff. I did not get to my 31 days. I got to like around 21, 22. But either way, it was still a lot of looks all together, so I am proud at how I came about that. If you guys do see my feed, I will be going back into the 333. I feel like that is just a little bit better. Maybe not better, but like it looks a lot neater rather than just picking all these filler pictures that nobody really... It looks nice on the feed, but nobody really was commenting or really engaging with those filler pictures. Either way, like I know it is not really the pictures that you would like to see, but it was I had to like figure out something on top of all the things that I was doing every single day. So I decided to X out all those filler pictures. If you guys do want filler pictures to come back, please let me know in the comments below. But for right now, I'm just gonna do the 333s from now on. So towards the end of this beginning of November, I will kind of still incorporate the rest. I still have like 2 or 3 looks that I still want to get out that are kind of Halloween related. I just want to actually get them out. I want to try them out, figure it out, and get them out for you guys, because those things I was still excited to actually film and all that stuff. I haven't filmed them yet, but I am excited for it. If you guys haven't seen my monster, I haven't posted it up on Instagram yet, but I will this coming week. And but it is out on YouTube already. I have a few. I want to get Venom done sometime this week. There's also Anastasia Beverly Hills one that I want to get out this week as well. And let me see. Ooh, Scorpion. And I did already film a breakfast at Tiffany's. I will be posting that onto my Instagram sometime this week as well. If you guys have any suggestions for anything with my channel, with my YouTube or my Instagram or anything, please do not hesitate to message me or comment or something. I think the easiest way to message me directly is through Instagram DMs. So if you guys want to message me directly, do it through there. And if you guys want to just communicate with me back and forth, Twitter is very good for that, to just have like that interaction, really open and just have fun and enjoy and just shout out each other. So I am planning a schedule. I will be open about that next week. The first real week, Monday through Sunday week of November. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, and for everything. I love you guys so much. You guys are the best. And that was a long 31 days. Well, technically 21 days. But, you know, you catch the drift. Okay, I gotta go to work. It's already time to start heading out. So, I love you guys. Bye.